Okay, now let's say for example you want to buy a 5k account. What you have to do, you just click on this buy challenge on FundingPips. I'll click on that and wait for a while. So when you click on it, you are going to be choosing the account type that you want to buy. For me, I'm choosing two-step challenge. This is actually two-step challenge. I'm going to be choosing this one. So now I'll just scroll down, right? I'll scroll down and choose FundingPips. Don't, if you want Funding Pro, with this one is actually for one-step challenge and this is actually for two-step challenge. So I'll have to scroll down. I'll scroll down, right? You read through everything. So my account size, I'll choose my account size, which is $5,000. I choose $5,000 and scroll down again. I'll choose my trading platform, which is MT5, my favorite. I love trading with MT5. This is MT5. I'll choose MT5 here. Sorry guys, this thing is actually, so this is MT5. I'll choose it. Once I choose MT5, I'll scroll down again. Scroll down, you can see the price, which is $36. Now I have to copy my this code, because I want to buy with discount, right? I'll copy this code here. I'll copy the code and put it in here. I just have to paste it there and click on apply. It's actually applying. Okay, good guys, you can actually see I'm buying the account with 20% discount. Look at the 20% discount here, right? So now I'll have to scroll down and scroll down. I'll click on continue to payment here. Let this thing pop up. I'll click here, continue to payment. Okay, I've not clicked on agree, sorry. I'll click on agree and click on payment. Okay, it's actually processing now. You just wait for a while for it to process. And here it is. I'll just go ahead and choose my payment method, which is, I love buying with cryptocurrencies. So I'll just choose my cryptocurrency here. I'll choose this. When I click on that, I'll wait for it to load. You have to wait for it to load. It's taking time, guys. You have to wait depending on your internet connection, right? It actually takes time. Okay, good. Now it has actually reloaded. You have to choose your, if you want to buy through BTC or USDT, you can choose it here. Me, I'm buying through, I'll be buying through, no, I'll be buying through USD. Let's say USD. So I'll go ahead and click on USDT here. So this is actually USDT, and they're telling me that if I want to buy through USDT, I'll be paying $32. So some fees are added, the blockchain fees. You can see the fee here. It was actually $29, but I have to just do it the way it is. So I'll go ahead and click on this. When I click on it, I'll just have to wait for a while for it to load. Okay, now it has loaded. You can see that FundingPips is actually telling me that I'm going to be paying I'm going to be paying $32.99, which is right here in front of you. And this is my address that I'm going to be copying, and I'm going to paste it on Binance. So I'll go ahead and copy the address. So when I copy, I'm going to go into my Binance account now and show you how to transfer the money into this FundingPips account right now. Okay, right now we are actually on my Binance account, so I'm going to sending this money to my FundingPips account to buy my challenge, right? So I'm going to be clicking on send now. When I click on send, I'll just go ahead and click on this thing here, which is withdraw crypto. When I click on it, I wait for a while. Now I'm going to click on USDT. So now the next thing I have to do, I'll paste my wallet, my FundingPips wallet. So that's it. That is the wallet that I copied from FundingPips. Now I have to choose my network. I'm going for USDT TRC20 because that's the correct network. So now I'm going to be putting in the amount. FundingPips I should send in how much here. Let me see it again. What is FundingPips asking? They are asking that I should send in 32.99 cents. Okay, so I'm just going to put in 32.99 cents. Let me put 33 because they are going to be taking some fees. 33.99 cents. Okay, so you can actually see they're saying that I'm going to be receiving 32.99 cents, which is accurate. Let me see it again. 30.99 cents. Okay, okay, let me click on withdraw. Let's see how it is. Okay, so okay, good. Now we have to go ahead and click on this confirm to confirm that we are actually sending crypto to FundingPips to buy our challenge. Now I'll click on confirm. Depending on your internet, guys, so let's just wait for a while for it to load. Okay guys, that's good. You guys can see that it's actually processing, right? Our payment is actually processing to FundingPips. So now let's go back to our FundingPips account and see whether the payment has been confirmed. Let's click on FundingPips here. This internet connection is slow here. The internet connection is still slow. Hush. FundingPips is actually saying confirming. They are still confirming the payment. Once they confirm, they are going to send my FundingPips account to my dashboard and email. Let's just be patient and wait for it to load. They say you will be notified about the status of this payment. Thank you. Okay, let's wait. Okay guys, so you can actually see that our payment has been confirmed. Now we have to go back to our dashboard to see our account that has been sent by FundingPips. So I'll just have to log in again. Okay, let's go ahead and check our account. So you guys can see the FundingPips is actually saying that I have 5k account, which is the account that I just bought now like this. So let's open the account and see. Guys, I don't know, I'm not seeing the FundingPips account details here, so I'll just have to go to my email now and check the account. Right, let's go to my email right now. So now in my email, you can actually see the account details here. They'll actually send it to my email. So let me open it up. Okay, good. This is it, guys. Two-step account details. So guys, you guys should stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you actually learned something from this video, and I'll be dropping more contents like this so you can see the account details. So I'm just going to copy it right now. I'm going to copy all these details and log into my MT5. So I'll see you guys in the next video.